All right, so for the dressing, we have turmeric, which I cut into chunks, and it's 2 inches or of nubs of turmeric, and you guys can get this at Albertsons or whatever. So, and then I put ginger, like about an inch. Can you go wash that? And so I put all that in a little blender, and pretty simple, because I don't really measure, I just guesstimate. It's organic. Olive oil, I use like maybe like a cup to maybe a fourth, 3/4 of a cup, somewhere there, something like that. And then we use apple cider vinegar, and again, another probably like a cup, somewhere there, I don't know, somewhere there. Is that good? I don't know, something like that, because then you can go back and add or subtract or add more of what you like. If you want more ginger, oh, and I forgot garlic. So I bought the pre-peeled garlic, the organic, and just put, I like lots of garlic, so you may not like this dressing, but it's all healthy for you. It kills lots of stuff, and you guys know that turmeric and ginger are anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. So then this is the stevia I like, which is the new stevia, alcohol-free. So there's basically, this is not like Truvia, that's not what you want for here. And I put 5 squirts. I know that this is more than most people use for stevia, but you'll see how it's kind of needed with all that spice. What's that?
Is that less potent than the powder? Like the stevia?
Oh no, it's not. But I want it sweet because you have so much oil and also so much ginger, and it gets the spice down a little. So, and then basically that's it. And then I like magic bullets, or some people have the ninja, whatever, but it's basically, all right, so that's going to be available for you to drizzle on, or just try not to dump it. These tables are not too sturdy, so yeah, whatever you can do to not dump it. And then this is that cilantro dressing, the goddess dressing. Trader Joe's has this. Again, if you guys want to add more Parmesan cheese, feel free to get more nuts, whatever. But anyways, that's the salad. Got it? Okay, moving on. So this is the grapeseed oil Veganese, and why I like this, again, it's the oil that makes things bad. So fat is not bad, it's a type of fat. So we like fats that are not hydrogenated. So most mayonnaises have canola oil, soy oil. You want either grapeseed oil or make your own mayonnaise with olive oil if you are good at making mayonnaise. But this is what I buy because I don't typically have time to make it. But anyways, if you do, make your own. So this is Trader Joe's also has, I don't really like Trader Joe's, but there is some stuff that I do like. And so this is their shredded green and red cabbage with orange carrot, organic, basically shredded coleslaw. So doesn't have any other additives than that, and it's organic. I love that. So I put like, you can do whatever you want. I'm just talking about like moms that like me, I am just on the go. I don't make vegetables anymore. My kids are carnivore, so life has become so easy. I just cook meat and give it to them. But before, when they were plant-based, I would do all this stuff. But I'm not going to talk about carnivore here because that's just another level for people who are autoimmune, and they're autoimmune. So that's where we're talking about just eating healthier, you know. Advanced plan, meaning you're getting rid, and when I talk about advanced plan, you're getting rid of grain, sugar, all fruit except for berries and green apples. So that's why we added a raspberry, you know. And so no grain, no sugar, no fruit, except for berries and grain because they're low in sugar. So you're basically eating good quality grass-fed source meat, wild fish, free-range chicken, and then good vegetables and berries. And then you'll see how this is going to be just a wonderful meal that you can have and you know, you can do it with chicken, whatever. But I mean, there's so many options. So anyways, if somebody can like help me do this, that'd be great. So you mix it around. Here you go, and here you go. And then I use apple cider vinegar again. So I use 2 bags in each thing, okay, just for quantity wise. And if you guys want to come out this way because you're blocking their view, my cooks, my Vanna Whites. All right, so again, I don't measure, I just kind of go with it. And there we go. And then, I don't know, it's like maybe half a cup, something like that. You can do more or less, whatever. Sometimes it comes out great, sometimes it comes out a little too watery. But I'm one of those cooks that just like pinch of this and a pinch of that. So, and then again, you could add stevia or you can add whatever, honey if you want. But again, the point here is to get off what? Sugar. Why do I like this stevia? Is because it's not processed. Most stevias are all like, so this is an expensive little bottle here. This is probably about,
lasts a long time.
but it lasts a long time. I'm making a lot of quantity. So I do again, like maybe 2 or 3 squirts for the whole thing. Again, I'm feeding the masses here. So just, and then you can add more, or subtract or whatever, but just, more so. And so then that's it for the coleslaw. All right.
Smells good.
Yeah. All right. And all right. So then that's that. And then George, do you want to go over the grass-fed meat? What you did?
Yeah. So just try to find some options out there. I mean, Costco does have like organic beef.
We're recording this for you guys.
And then organic chicken, so it's going to be better than your conventional, but they have this one that's already pre-cooked, so all you have to do is kind of braise it or just probably put it underneath the broiler so it kind of creates a sear. But all it has, it's black pepper, sea salt, and garlic and olive oil. So really simple. The brand is it's called Cuisine Solutions, and it's at Costco. Yeah. So, and I think they have some other brands from the same company, but it's cooked sous vide, so it's actually cooked in a water bath. So it makes it a little bit more tender. But yeah, so you try to do their best to find, you know, some better source protein, but grass-fed is going to be your best option. Okay.
All right, and then so the recipe for the dressing, the healing dressing, if you do want it, this is my Spanish Mexicito, but I have my English one too. But that's the dressing there, and you have the cilantro one, the homemade one. But all these are basically no sugar, so it's Mexican food but no sugar, and so that's where it's all here. We have flan, but this is the Mexican. The pudding, this chocolate pudding. So this is in English and Spanish, and so if you do want to get that, you can talk to my team before you leave. Otherwise, we're recording this. So, all right. So, so how did I make this? I just took the magic bullet, 2 avocados, 3 cacao, little teaspoons cacao powder, organic. So I like, you know, organic cacao, not Hershey's, whatever, like real cacao powder. And this is real cacao nibs, which are and like chocolate is good if it's dark and it's the real, like this is the bean, so it's bitter. So you'll get to try it. And I only have like maybe 27 little things, so I don't know how many did you count? Hey, maybe everybody gets one. Mine is my team. So sorry guys. So But anyways, guys, so go ahead and grab a plate. Here's some more berries if you want to take some. I didn't wash them, so just know that. But you're free to take whatever you want from here. So grab a plate, then we'll go back, sit down.